Very good morning to all my dear students. In today's class, we will be starting our Essay 2 paper pattern. I will be sending you a PDF. Refer the PDF for better understanding. And in today's class, we will also be discussing about the first bit in our section A. Read the passage and answer the following questions. So be ready with your practice notebooks, a single rule notebook. Yes, children, in today's class, we will be discussing Essay 2 paper pattern. So, first we will be writing today's date is 7th April 2021. Our paper carries 50 marks, children. Okay, in this we have two sections. Section A, we have first bit as read the passage and answer the following questions. Okay, one passage will be given to you. You will be given 5 questions, each carries 1 mark. And then in that first bit, you will be having B bit, look at the picture and frame sentences. Few pictures will be given to you. You have to make your own sentences by seeing the pictures. 5 will be given, each carries 1 mark. The next bit you will be having answer the following questions. 3 questions will be given from your lessons, 2 marks each. Altogether 6 marks. B bit will be complete the poem. Only 4 lines will be given. You have to complete the poem. It will be given you in the fill up form. Altogether section A carries 20 marks. Now section B carries 30 marks. In section B, you will be having first bit, write plurals. Okay, you will be given 4 plurals, each will carry half mark. Plural means one, more than one. You have to refer the classworks, children. I will be practicing, making you do the practice also. Then B bit you will be having write the opposites. 5 will be given 1 mark each. Then next you will be having grammar exercise second bit. First you will be having look at the picture and write the correct preposition in the blank. Okay, prepositions you have to see the picture where the position of the nouns. Okay, you have to see and write the picture and you have to complete the blanks. 5 blanks will be given, 1 mark each. Then next you will be having B bit, rewrite and punctuate the following sentences. You have to rewrite the sentences and punctuate the sentences also. You have to use a capital letter, full stop and a question marks wherever necessary. Then you have look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Look at the picture and fill up the blanks in the action word. You have to see the picture, what is going on in the picture. You have to fill in the action word. Okay, 6 will be given, half mark each. Complete the sentences using am, is, are. Okay, 3 sentences will be given, 1 mark each. Next you will be having fill in the blanks with he, she, it, I. 6 sentences, half mark each. Then the last bit will be reading, 5 marks, which will be, I will be sending you. We are having lesson number 6 poem, Granny Granny, Please Comb My Hair, on page number 41. You have to read the paragraph from starting to sometimes she tugs. I hope I am clear about the paper pattern. Now shall we start with our first bit, section A. First bit, read the passage and answer the following questions. Open your practice notebooks, children, and write today's date. Today is 7th April 2021. You have to do your practice work in your practice notebook so that it will be easy for you to learn throughout your exams. First bit will be read the passage and answer the following questions. As earlier in FA4 we have done, so again we will be doing a passage. First, for the passage we have to read the passage. Roy likes to play in the rain. When it rains, he puts on his coat and boot. Okay, he plays in the rain and he puts on his raincoat and boots. He goes outside Roy splashes in the puddles. Roy must think that he is a duck. He thinks that he is a duck. Sometimes Peter plays in the rain with Roy. Peter also plays with Roy in the rain. Now we have questions out of the passage. What does Roy like to play in? What does Roy like to play? Roy likes to play in the rain. We have to see from the passage and write the answer here. Okay, children? Roy likes to play in the rain. Okay, you have to use a full stop too. The next question, what does Roy put on when it rains? When it was raining, Roy puts on his raincoat and boots. Okay, children, you can only write raincoat and boots. Where does Roy go? Where does Roy go? In the passage, it's written, he goes outside. Okay, so we can write Roy goes outside. Next one is, what must Roy think he is? What must Roy think he is? He thinks that he is a duck. So here we can write Roy thinks that he is a duck. Okay. Next one is, who plays in the rain with Roy sometimes? Who plays in the rain? In the passage we have Peter. Okay, so only Peter is enough, children. Peter plays in the rain with Roy. Now we have the second passage. Let us read. Wally is a big blue whale. Wally lives in the ocean. Where is Wally? Wally is a blue whale and it lives in the ocean. He swims with his whale friends. He swims with his friends. Sometimes Wally dives deep. Then he jumps high into the water. Wally swims deep and sometimes it jumps into the air. When he lands in the water, Wally makes a big splash. Okay, when he lands in the water again, he makes a big splash. Now, shall we see the questions out of the passage? What kind of animal is Wally? What kind of animal is Wally? Wally is a blue whale. Okay, we can write Wally is a big blue whale. Second one is, what color is Wally? What color is Wally here? Wally is blue in color. So we can just write blue. What does Wally swim with? What does Wally swim with? He swims with his whale friends. So we can write as, he swims with his whale friends. Okay, children? Where does Wally live? Where does Wally live, children? Wally lives in the ocean. Okay? Wally lives in the ocean. The answers are from the passage, children. Just see from the passage and write. There is no need to learn these answers. Just you have to have the reading practice, then definitely you will do the answers. What happens when Wally lands in the water? When Wally lands in the water, what happens? We have just read, yes, when he lands in the water, Wally makes a big splash. What happens when Wally lands in the water? Wally makes a big splash. Okay, children, this is the answer for the fifth one. I hope I am very much clear with the passages. Do practice both the passages and one more passage which I have given you for FA4. That also you can practice for your Essay 2 examination. Do practice both the passages in your practice notebooks and write the answers referring the PDF. Thank you, children. Have a good day.